What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're in a school bus. Yes, we're investing in a school bus, guys. This is gonna be the party house. This is gonna be the car that, I'm just kidding, I'm in a junkyard. Alright guys, made it to the junkyard here, and here is our 8th gen Civic beat up, as you can see, but it's perfect because, take a look, airbox is already removed, the engine's barely hanging on. Looks like they took the mounts and everything from the R18. Pretty clean and block though, not a lot of leaks. And right over here, gentlemen, are the heater hoses that we are going to be taking. So this job is going to be real easy. We're going to take 2 clips off here, 2 clips off the firewall, and then we're going to be golden. That's all we're really going to take from the car at this point, and then we'll keep on moving. I'm here with my buddies, so we're going to check out some other cars, some Toyotas, for some parts as well. And yeah, it's crazy how much cars they have here. Everything is just completely squished. So let's get to work. If I could, I'd just pull this whole engine apart. Look at that. Engine and trans is pretty much ready to rock. Automatic transmission. Let's just give you guys a look around the car. Airbags taken out. I did manage to grab a taillight bulb from the back. I needed this one, mine was burnt out, and that's about it. I think got my little hose. That's all we really came here for, so we're gonna head on out. That's the radiator. So we got the 2 hoses right over here. It still had actually OEM fluid pouring out of it, nice and blue. And look at those valves, are white in there too. I don't know if you guys can see, but those valves are pretty white in there. But dang, look at that, no leaks whatsoever. Good job, Honda. That thing looks great. Oil pressure sensor, again, if you guys are tapping into this, oil pressure sensor right there for the turbo. Oil drain right over there. And yeah, if you guys do want to drop the oil pan, remember, you're gonna have to take the AC off and the alternator off here, and the AC bracket, which is right over here. You can see 2 bolts right over here, 2 bolts here, because it's holding onto the oil pan on both of those sides. So that's why I didn't drop my oil pan, because I didn't want to go through this. Now it's easy and accessible, like if the car is half torn apart, but it's a long process. But if you dedicate a day, you should be able to take this off, drop the oil pan. Honestly, if I had more time here, this oil pan drop would be perfect. I probably could use this oil pan for my car. Again, if you guys are not familiar, I cracked my oil pan here just a little bit when I was T-tapping it. Yeah, this would be ideal, but honestly the car's engine's gonna fall off soon, since all the motor mounts are absolutely shot right here. So it'll be very fishy unless I get a hoist, put it on the engine to hold it, and drop the oil pan. But that's probably gonna be maybe in the future, or just buy one off Amazon for like 60 bucks. You can do that as well. Other than that, my boy is working on a CB7 to 92 Civic, or 92 Accord. He's pulling some parts off of that, some wings, headlights. He's doing a full turbo build as well on his. It's been a long build in the making, but yeah, see you guys later.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.